Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Junior Electrician. Today we're going to be looking at how to solder two wires together and strip them. Well, first you got to grab some wire, like I have here. Oops. I have two long pieces. These are my wire strippers, if you can see them. Very cool. And when you're done, twist it like that. Then put it on one side of your clamp. If you have one of these things, they're cool. And then strip one side of the other. Then you put them in the middle. Do that, something like that. Take your soldering iron and some solder. Put your soldering iron on one side and the solder on the other. And quickly give it a little tap. So,